Refresh rate, measured in hertz, indicates how many times per second your monitor updates the image on screen. Think of it as how frequently your display refreshes what you see. Common refresh rates include 60 Hz for standard use, 144 Hz for competitive gaming, and 240 Hz or higher for professional esports. Higher refresh rates provide smoother motion and reduced input lag. Here's a visual comparison showing the difference between lower and higher refresh rates. Notice how the 144 Hz image on the right shows much clearer detail and less motion blur compared to the 60 to 75 Hz image on the left. Modern Sceptre monitors offer impressive refresh rate capabilities. Many current models support 144 Hz and 165 Hz natively, with premium models reaching 240 Hz. These monitors also include adaptive sync technologies like FreeSync and G-Sync compatibility. To achieve high refresh rates, you need the right cable. HDMI 1.4 supports up to 144 Hz at 1080p. HDMI 2.0 handles up to 240 Hz at 1080p or 144 Hz at 440p. And HDMI 2.1 supports up to 240 Hz at 4K resolution. DisplayPort 1.4 also provides excellent high refresh rate support. For optimal high refresh rate performance, NVIDIA users should have a GTX 10 series or newer graphics card, while AMD users need an RX 500 series or newer. These GPUs provide the necessary power to drive high refresh rate displays effectively. The primary method to change your Sceptre monitor's refresh rate is through Windows Display Settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. In Advanced Display Settings, select your Sceptre monitor if you have multiple displays. Then navigate to Display Adapter Properties. Click the Monitor tab and choose your desired refresh rate from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, you can use your graphics control panel. For NVIDIA users, open NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Change Resolution, select your resolution and refresh rate, then apply the changes. For AMD users, open AMD Radeon Settings, go to Display, then Custom Resolutions. You can create a custom refresh rate if your desired rate is not listed in the standard options. Cable selection is crucial for achieving higher refresh rates. DisplayPort generally supports higher refresh rates than HDMI. Use DisplayPort 1.4 for optimal performance or HDMI 2.1 for newer monitors. You can also access refresh rate settings directly through your Sceptre monitor's on-screen display menu. Look for display or picture settings to find refresh rate options. Common troubleshooting tips. If refresh rates are not available, check your cable type and update graphics drivers. Screen flickering indicates the refresh rate exceeds your monitor's capability. Always use certified high-speed cables for reliable performance.